Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the USB device not recognized on Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, what you're going to do is try to eject the USB device, and once you do it, you're going to try to put it into another USB hole. Now, in case that doesn't work, then try to restart the computer while the USB device is still connected. And if that still doesn't work, try to use another USB device if not available. And if anything doesn't work, then you're going to go to the software side where you're going to go to settings and then you're going to search for device manager. Click on it, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see the USB connector right here, managers. Expand it, and then right here, right click on it, go to properties, go to driver, then from here you're going to update the driver. Now you're going to search automatically for drivers, but if it says that it's already there, then you're going to browse my computer for drivers, and then you're going to click next, then search for update drivers. Or you can go again, browse, let me pick from the list, and then from here you're going to install it. Finally, if that doesn't work, then you're going to go and search for your power options, and then from here you're going to click on edit power plan, and then change advanced power settings. Now from here on this list, it should show USB settings, but if it doesn't, then try to restart the computer while the USB is still plugged in. And then from here, make sure that when you click on expand on it, then everything is enabled or on in the USB settings. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.